బేగంపేట్లోని జాస్ అలుకాస్ జ్యువెలరీ షోరూం నిర్వహించిన లక్కీ డ్రా కూపన్లో గెలుపొందిన విజేతలకు జాస్ అలుకాస్ మేనేజర్చే సత్కారం చేశారు.
ఇక్కడ
I'm from GJC, All India German Jewelry Domestic Council. So we're happy to be here for today's function organized by Joss Alukas for those winners of gold coins. So this festival really boosted the retailer sales by more than 30% across Pan India. We received a massive response from the retailers across Pan India. Because of India Jewelry Shopping Festival, the sales has increased by 30%. Is what we heard from the reports from across Pan India. So we'll be doing every year. So the next year also we'll be planning to do that. So we are happy. So we congratulate Joss Alukas and also thank them for their support in making this festival a grand success. Thank you.
already Japan 5 to 6 years I've been old customer to the Joss, and moreover I really trust Joss, and 22 carat gold and 22 carat compulsory ఉంటుంది 916. So I have a pretty good experience with these guys, with Joss, and I really appreciate their service as well. Whenever we come and they really support with us, and I'm really delighted for this day, and thanks for the team, thanks for the staff as well. Whenever I come, they really support and show the wide varieties of collection of gold. Thank you so much.
మాకు కాల్ రాగానే మేము ఇంత అదృష్టవంతులమని నేను చాలా సంతోషపడ్డాము. నేను మా పేరెంట్స్కి అందరికీ చెప్పి అసలు ఆ షాపు మాకు అదృష్టం ఇచ్చింది అని చాలా ఆనందంగా
అనుకోకుండా షాపింగ్ చేసినాక ఒక 1-10 డేస్కు సడన్గా కాల్ వచ్చింది నాకు. ఫస్ట్ నమ్మలే, నేను అంత ఫేక్ అనుకున్నా. తర్వాత వచ్చి మేనేజర్ గారు ఉన్నట్టే వచ్చి మేనేజర్ గారు కన్ఫర్మ్ చేసుకున్నా. అనుకుని చాలా సంతోషపడ్డా. అనుకోకుండా వచ్చింది. జాయ్ ప్లస్ వారికి ధన్యవాదాలు.
మీరు ఇక్కడ ఈ షాప్ ఎన్నిసార్లు షాపింగ్
నేను ఫస్ట్ టైం చేసిన, ఫస్ట్ టైం గెలిచిన. అనుకోకుండా చాలా సంతోషం.
We have been regular customers for the Joss Alukas. Been long time, been years, 5 to 6 years. We are a regular customer, and moreover, past in the month of October or so, Diwali we came to shopping, and for the showroom we got 15 coupons. Out of that we got one from the bumper draw, and these were we provided by IDSF and India Jewellery Shopping Festival, and we have been selected for 25 grams gold coin for the bumper offer. And I really was surprised to get this prize, and I really recommend all the people to visit once to Joe's Alucas at Bayunpet branch, and there are plenty of collections and very wide varieties of collections. I really recommend public, please have a visit once, and can maybe you'll be part of one day you'll be part of as a winner. Thank you so much.